Man, this picture brings back such a fun memory from this layover in Naples that I had. This picture is taken in Positano, which is on the Amalfi Coast, just beautiful. This was the third try it took me to get there. The first try I was in Rome on a long layover, and I took a bus tour. I was supposed to go to Positano and then to Pompeii for a tour. I get on the bus tour at 6 in the morning, and the first thing they say is, "Oh yeah, we're not going to Positano today because there's a mudslide or something, so we're gonna go to have lunch in Sorrento instead." Sorrento's awesome, but I wanted to go to Positano. That's why I booked the whole day-long tour to get this one picture. All right, fine, no problem. It was still a great day. Met some cool friends. Next layover, I'm in Naples. I'm gonna go take a ferry to Capri and then a ferry to Positano. Easy, no problem. So I get on the ferry to Capri, tired, slept a little bit, get to Capri, and I go to the ferry for Positano. Every single ferry for the whole day to Positano is canceled. Like, come on. So I still had an awesome day. I rented a scooter, cruised around Capri, beautiful, awesome. Had some gelato, went and had lunch somewhere, perfect. But I still wanted this picture from Positano. Just this one picture, this picture. And it's not like the perfect picture, but it came to represent a really fun day. So, I land in Naples. Myself and another crew member take the metro to the train station, take the train to Sorrento. That took about 2 hours. Now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. In Sorrento, we get on a bus, 45-minute bus ride through the mountains, along the coast, standing, going down these mountain roads, almost about to throw up. 45 minutes later, bus stops, we're in Positano. Beautiful. Looking out over the sea, the cliffs, and the houses on the side of the cliffs. Awesome. So we walk down the hill, we stop and get some lunch, we stop and have some Aperol spritzes, and keep going down. We get down to the beach finally, and I'm like, you know, the beach is awesome, but what if we could get out in the water? Like, I want to be in the water and get a picture, because that's the classic Positano pictures. Like, you're in the water looking at the cliffs and the houses. So we find a place that rents out boats, and it's like 80 euros for an hour. 80 euros, so split between me and the other guy, 40 euros for an hour. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So we get on the boat, no instruction, just here's the boat, see you in an hour, have a fun time. We're boating out, and we're like, does this thing even have life jackets? Like, is this legit? So we're cruising down the coast, the Amalfi Coast in Italy. Got my own boat, my buddy, and the Amalfi Coast. It's one of those things that, like, we didn't plan this. We just happened upon the boat place, and it turned into an awesome adventure. The swells were getting big. They're probably way too big for our boat, so we're having to go slow, and we're getting crashed around. But I mean, we're cruising down the Amalfi Coast. We come back. I hook up my GoPro by the windshield and go sit out in front of the boat as my buddy drives us in. It was one of those things that I'll remember forever. Another thing I'll remember forever is when we went to go back to Naples. We had already purchased a ticket on the 9 p.m. train to get back to Naples from Sorrento, which was a 45-minute bus ride from Positano. Well, before we got to the boat, we saw a ferry sign, and it had a 7 p.m. ferry straight to Naples. Man, that's perfect. We're gonna catch sunset from the top of this ferry, have a glass of wine. Beautiful, awesome day. So at 6:50, we're standing by the ferry. There's no ferry, there's no people. I go up to the ferry booth and I said, hey, is the 7 o'clock ferry still running to Naples? Oh, no, that canceled. That canceled a couple hours ago. Okay, so now it's 7 o'clock. Train's at 9, it's a 45-minute bus ride, but we don't know when the bus is. So we sprint up the hill. Now, at this point, I'd been awake for probably 30 hours. I'd eaten pizza, I'd had some wine, I'd had some gelato, and just got back from an hour-long boat ride in the choppy ocean. So I'm tired. really would just love to crawl into a bed. So now I'm sprinting up the hill in Positano to catch a bus. Finally get to the bus station. Fortunately, a bus pulled up right as we were getting there. And take the 45-minute bus ride back to Sorrento, get on a train, 9 o'clock train. We get back to Naples at 10 o'clock. Now we take the metro back to the hotel. Now we're back at the hotel at 10:30. I'd been awake for, 34 hours. But I got the shot, and that's what I wanted to do. So I hope you enjoyed this look into the story behind the shot, and maybe I'll do it again sometime. Thanks for hanging out. See you next week.